Welcome to Infigyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from radical equations. X equal to square root of 2 minus 1 over square root of 2 minus 1 over x, given that x belongs to real numbers. At first glance it looks like very hard question. We have a square root, inside there is another square root, but using appropriate substitution we will reach to our answer easily. Now I want you to pause the video right now and try this equation by yourself first. Now we have a square root in RHS. So a square root must be positive. We will write for x to be real, x should be positive. Now we will use substitution. Let us say the square root of 2 minus 1 over x equal to y. So y must be positive for x to be real. Now we are going to put this substitution to our equation. We will get x equal to the square root of 2 minus 1 over y. Now I will be squaring both sides. So I can write part 2 in LHS, part 2 in RHS. Now square root and square will be cancelled out. We will get equation x square equal to 2 minus 1 over y. Now we will consider our substitution here. We will be squaring both sides. So let me write square root 2 minus 1 over x equal to y. Now we will consider squaring both sides. So part 2, part 2. Square root and square will be cancelled out. We are going to write equation 2 minus 1 over x equal to y square. Let's say this is our first equation and here we will write equation number 2. Now I will subtract second equation from first one. So equation 1 minus equation 2. We will write x square equal to 2 minus 1 over y. This is our equation number 1. Here we'll write equation number 2, y square equal to 2 minus 1 over x. Here we'll write equation 2. Let's subtract. We'll change the sign here. Plus 2 and minus 2 will get over. We will get x square minus y square in LHS and 1 over x minus 1 over y in RHS. Now we are going to use difference of two squares identity here and we can write x plus y times x minus y equal to, we'll take LCM here. So we can write y minus x over xy. Now we will take all the terms to one side. We can write x plus y times x minus y plus x minus y over xy equal to 0. Now we have x minus y common out. So let's take x minus y common and in the bracket we will be writing x plus y plus 1 over xy equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we can write either x minus y equal to 0 or we can write x plus y plus 1 over xy This should be equal to 0. So from our first equation, from this equation x minus y equal to 0, we will get x equal to y. Now from our condition on x and y, x is positive for x to be real, and for x to be real, y must also be positive as per square root condition. So we can write here x times y, this must be positive, x plus y, this must be positive. Once we will add these two, we are going to get x plus y plus xy. This must be positive. From this inequality, I can write 1 over xy. Because of xy is positive, 1 over xy must be positive. So I can write here x plus y plus 1 over xy. This must be positive quantity. So this equation cannot hold true for x to be real. So we can reject this equation as we are looking for real solutions. So accepted x would be y, or y equal to x. Now we will take up our substitution equation. So I will write here y equal to x. Substitution was square root of 2 minus 1 over x equal to y. This was our substitution y. So in place of y, we can write x. So this will be equal to x. So we can write square root 2 minus 1 over x equal to x. Now we have to remove square root from left hand side. So we'll be squaring both sides. So square root and square will be cancelled out from LHS. We will get 2 minus 1 over x in left hand side and x square in RHS. Now we will multiply our equation by x both sides, as x cannot be equal to 0. So I will write here times x. I will write here times x. So 2x minus 1 will be in LHS and x cube will be in RHS. Let's write all the terms to RHS. X cube minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is cubic equation. I will use method of factorization. I can write minus 2x equal to minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now from first two terms, we can take x common out. So in the bracket there will be x square minus 1. From next two terms, if we will take minus 1 common out, we will be writing here x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we can use here difference of two squares formula. So we will write x times x plus 1 times x minus 1 minus 1 times x minus 1 equal to 0. Let me write here x times x plus 1 times x minus 1 minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we can take x minus 1 overall common. So in other bracket, we can write x times x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Or we can write x minus 1 times x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule. So we will write either x minus 1 will be equal to 0. So from here we will write x equal to 1, our first real solution. Now we have to write our second equation, x square plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. We can use quadratic formula. So I will write here a value 1, b value which is coefficient of x 1, c value is constant minus 1. So we will write x will be equal to minus b. So minus 1 plus minus square root of b square will be 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 over 2 times 1, which will be 2. X will be equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4. So we can write square root 5 over 2. So here we are having two values. If I will write minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, which is positive number. And second value is minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. And this is negative number. So our condition on x is x must be positive. So we are going to reject this solution. We will accept minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and we will accept x equal to 1. So there will be two real x which will satisfy our radical equation. I will write 1 and square root 5 minus 1 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.